Help! Help! Somebody save me from these huge bills!
Worry no more. I am here to save you from all your problems. You can now track your data and save all that money using Data Diary.
Sounds good. What is Data Diary?
Data Diary lets you check your data usage on your phone. Data Diary doesn't just tell you how much data you used, it also tells you how much data each app on your phone used. That's not all. It also lets you check how much data you used on each network and also by each hour of the day.
Wow, this is amazing! Where can I get this app?
Data Diary is now available on the App Store and Play Store. Download the app now.